What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Glenn, and I am creator of GlennReview.com. Today, I'm going to review a newest product called Sqribble. This is a really powerful product, and maybe this is the hottest product in this November. Um, and I confirm everyone in around the world needs this product. This is a really great product. And before watching my IQ report today, uh, please click a button below to subscribe my channel to watch more online reviews from me, as well as get more online market tips from me in next time. Okay, and now also I made accurable review on my website. So after watching this my video review today, you can go to my website glandreview.com. You can use my searching bar. You can put your keyword accurable review to check out my article review again. And okay, take a look to my screen. Here is the executable dashboard, and I have to emphasize that I bought executable last month along with full OTOs, and today I'm gonna make your honest review for you, so you can trust anything I review today. Okay. Now, before explaining some main features of Sqribble, I want to give you an overview about this software. Uh, what is Sqribble? Sqribble is an ebook creation and design platform which allows users to come up with reports and ebooks in the reliable night. Particularly, followers can gain access to a library of more than 50 templates divided into 15 different niche categories. Not to mention that Adcurable also lets you put your hands on your free commercial license. Okay, and I'm going to talk about the author, Adcurable author. Adil Chowdhury has spent more than 10 years as an online marketer. Adil Chowdhury is the creator of Adcurable. He has also showcased his track record for releasing several bestsellers across different platforms, including Zvizu, ClickBank, and Short. The reason behind his success is that he always embraced a winning formula. In other words, his solutions do not just add value to his business, but he aims to help fellow marketers to achieve the same profits. If you want to find out more, please follow my accurate video review today. Okay, and take a look to my screen. Here is accurable dashboard. And if you watch all my reviews very often, or you are followers of my blog, you can see I often review front end only. But today I will review all of them. I will review front end purchase and all of upsells. Why? Because this is a really great product, and everyone needs this product. Besides, I also bought front end and along with a full of upsells last month. So I'm going to make the honest review for you for all of them. Okay, and now before sorry, but now I'm gonna review front end purchase firstly. Now I click to my tablets. Um, in front-end purchase, you have 50 templates under some categories like arts and entertainment, betting and trading systems, business, investing and finance, computers, software and internet, e-business and e-marketing, education, employment and jobs, fiction, games, home, food and health, languages, mobile and smart devices, parenting and families, spirituality and religion, sports and travel. I emphasize again, in front temperatures, you have 50 tablets, but in my review today, you can see there are 210 tablets inside my video review because I bought a front end and a full OTOs, so I have all of my tablets. Now, take a look to some templates you get inside Sqribble today. For example, learn SEO website optimization, the first ranking and beyond. So many templates for use inside this software. In my video reviews today, there are about 210 templates. There are so many templates for you inside it. And to save your time, Sqribble allow you to filter some templates under your keyword, under your niche. For example, you can put your keyword in a searching box, and you can find some templates under your niches. Okay. And you can also click view button to preview any templates if you want. For example, I click this template, and you can see here is the preview of template. You can click this next button to check out some other pages inside this template. And here are some dummy content inside this template. It's really beautiful template. I'm going to check another template. For example, I check this one, and you can see here is the preview of this template I just clicked. You can click this button to check out other pages inside the template, and you can see here are some dummy content inside this template. Okay, and I check another, this one. Yeah, this is a really nice template, and you can put your own content here to make your own own ebook. And you can see you can check out other categories inside this software. For example, I choose games, and you can check out some templates under niche games. For example, I check this one. Yeah, okay. And I come back on templates. Okay, and now I'm going to choose a random template to make your example for you today. Now, for example, I choose this one. The first thing you have to do is you have to put your project name. It means it is your ebook name. Okay, and I will put my project name, for example, test ebook, and I click next button. And here, take a look to my screen now. Now you have to choose, you have to select your project type. There are 5 project types inside the software Sqribble. The first project is you can put your URL inside your Sqribble, and Sqribble will automatically grab useful content from there, and will paste content onto unstyled pages. The second project type is you can start from scratch. This option will open the chosen template with dummy content on it. The third project type is copy paste content manually. You can copy content from anywhere you like and paste it into the field ahead. The fourth content, you can upload your Word or your text file. You can upload any unformatted Word or text document, and we automatically grab its content for you. And the final project type is you can start from article collection. This option will show the article collection. You can start from those articles. And now I'm going to explain one by one for you. Firstly, I'm going to explain the first project type. You can grab the content from any URLs. Now take a look here. Next. And you have to put your URL here. And for example, I put my article. For example, I put my news bureau review from my website, and I put to this one, and I hit the finish button. And now you have to finish. Sorry, you have to wait a little bit time for accurate processing. But I confirm this is so quickly. It processes so quickly, so you just need to a little bit time loading your content. It may take a while for content completion. Sharing table of content. Okay, and here are my results. You can see my URL, my content from my URL is pulled into this template, and you can see. And you can see this is my ebook from my URL. This is really nice. And from this template, you can also edit any elements you want. For example, you can edit some text. You can customize your text inside your template. For example, you can customize your element name, margin top, font size, icon picker, radius, borders, border style, border size, border color, shadow, no shadow, or some other. Or you can customize your font. Some many elements inside this ebook you can customize in the way you like. For the image, you also can customize your image. Take a look to my. You can customize your element image name. You can customize image width, image height. You can customize the link URL, like link URL target, and many more settings inside this ebook. And you can also drag and drop some text from this position to that position. For example, you can you can drag and drop any you can drag and drop any uh, text if you want. Yeah, you can see I just drag and drop the and you also can put some You can add more elements. For example, you can add more elements like column block, and so on. And you can also add more elements like a headline, a single image, paragraph, text block, divider, button, image features, bullet list, and image bullet list. For example, for general, you can add some these element, media, single image, image feature, and as I can explain before, you can drag and drop any element you want. Yeah, you can drag and drop the element you want to the another position. Yeah, for example, yeah, here I just mm, I just move this header to another position by drag and drop style. And also you also can drag and drop the image. For example, I will drag this. Yeah, you can drag and drop image to the another position. And okay, inside my you can check out my article review, and I just complete a sample for you. Now take a look to my here I have yeah, this one. Here is just in my ebook news builder review from my URL here. I just complete, and you can check out it inside my article review. And here is my ebook after my my customization. Yeah, you can see. You can go to my website and you can download this ebook to check out it later. Yeah, this is my ebook. Sorry, this my internet connection had a little bit slow. So yeah, and the final page is a thank you page. Keep visiting us, gladreview.com. Yeah, okay, you can go to my article review to check out this ebook again. Okay, now let's come back with my let's come back with my dashboard. After finishing your customization, you can click save to save your ebook, and then you can click generate ebook to export your ebook. It needs to a little bit time for processing to save the content. And now you have two options to for the completed ebook. You can open it in a new tab to check out your ebook again, or you can click a download PDF file to download your ebook to your computer. Okay, and another option you can click public. And I'm going to explain this feature. Sqribble allows you to have a commercial license, so you can sell your ebooks to your clients. For example, you can add your new client, and you can choose your client here, and you can allow your client to view your ebook inside Sqribble dashboard. And here is my uh, ebook. I just opened it. Yeah. And let's come back with commercial license from Sqribble. You can choose your client here, or you can click add new client to add more your clients inside Sqribble dashboard. And then you can choose select pages to public. You can choose any pages inside Sqribble dashboard, or you can choose all the pages. For example, I choose all the pages. So I choose several pages. For example, I choose here, and I click publish. And you have to wait a little bit time for its processing. And here, now you can click visit the URL. And here is the URL. Your clients can view this ebook, and your clients can you have to your client have to sign in with this okay. Now your client can click any on this ebook, and they can leave their comments inside. For example, I put it need to uh, more clearly. It needs to be more clearly. Yeah. For example, your customers can leave the comment by click any elements, any position inside this ebook. Yeah, for example, they can leave comment here, and you can click a post comment. You can move on to another pages, and you can leave comment here. Okay, it is just I just give you an overview about commercial license inside Sqribble. Now, let's come back with another module. Now I come back to some templates. For example, I choose this one. I put my ebook name. For example, I test file and click next. And now I'm gonna move on to another section inside this Sqribble dashboard, and it means that you can start from scratch. This option will open the chosen template with dummy content on it. For example, I choose is, and I hit the next button, and I click finish. Okay, and here are my template with some dummy content on it, and you can edit some dummy content inside to make your own ebook. You can put your content here. You can drag and drop this block to any positions if you want. Yeah, here is some here are some dummy content inside this ebook, and you can customize it. Okay, this is just so simple. Now I'm going to move on to another module inside uh, Sqribble. Now let's come back my some templates. For example, I choose this one, and I put tab 6, and I hit the next button, and I will choose another section inside Sqribble. It means you can copy and paste content manually. You can copy content from anywhere you like and paste it into the field ahead. and click next button here. You can put some content here. For example, I put some my content, and I put some content into this box. I put it here and I click finish. And you have to wait a little bit time for its processing. Okay, here I just my ebook from some content I just put into the box, and you can see you can here is just my content from my URL. I just copy some content from my URL. I put it into the template, and here is your details. And you can customize any elements on this ebook in the way you want. And I have another example for you. Here is my copy and paste content manually, and I just made the example for you. You can click here to check out it. Yeah, here is my ebook from some content I paste into the Sqribble. Yeah, you can see. Okay, now let's move on to another section. I come back projects. Sorry, I come back templates. For example, I choose this one, and I put my project name and a next button. And the another section is executable. I will choose upload Word or text file. You can upload any unformatted Word or text documents, and will automatically grab its content. Yeah, for example, I choose this one and I click next. Now, I will upload my document file into it. I will upload my wait me a little bit. I will choose. Okay, here is just my document, and I click finish. And you have to wait a little bit time for its process. Loading your content, it may take a while depending on the content. Yeah, it is so quickly. Okay, here is just my ebook. Yeah, you can see this is my ebook. And you can also customize any elements inside this ebook in the way you like. Yeah. And I have made the example for you inside my Sqribble review. You can go to my article and scroll down to start from the article collection. Sorry, uh, upload work and take file to check out it again. And here is my ebook after I put my Word from my computer. And you can after your customization, you can click shape, or you can click generate ebook, or you can publish this ebook to your clients. Okay, and I'm gonna move on to the final section inside Sqribble. I move on templates. For example, I choose this one. And I hit the next button, and I choose the start from article art collection. What is the start from article collection? This option will show the article collection. You can start from those articles. And hit the next button, and it means there are some many done for your article inside Sqribble, and you can uh, use this searching box to and put your keyword here to search some done for you articles under your niche. For example, I here are some category inside Sqribble, AdSense, and advertising, affiliate marketing, after school activity, and so many more inside. For example, I choose this one and I click finish. And you have to wait a little bit time, but I confirm this is so quickly. You will have an ebook with done for your articles. Yeah, okay. It just done. Here is my ebook. Yeah, you can see it is my ebook. And you also can customize anything on it. And you can click and then you can click save to public your export your ebook, or you can generate ebook to download your ebook to your computer, or you can click publish to your clients. And you can come back to my article review, and you can go down to start from article collection. I have just made an example for you here. And here is my example. I use one of article from article collection, and here is my ebook. Okay, here are just some sections inside Sqribble, and this I just to give you an overview about front-end purchase. If you, I emphasize again, if you buy a front-end purchase, you have 50 templates inside your Sqribble dashboard, and you have 5 project types. You can use 5 project types to make your content. Uh, you can turn your content to your ebook, and you have a free commercial license, so you can sell your ebooks to your clients, and your client can view your ebooks, and they can leave the comments on some pages inside your ebooks. Okay, now I'm gonna move on to another section. I will explain some upsell features. Mm. Now I'm going to review OTO 1, OTO 2, OTO 3, and OTO 4. And you can take a look to my image below to check out an overview about these OTOs. The upsell number 1, it is Sqribble Professional Edition, and you have to pay $97 for this. The features of upsell number 1, turbocharged Sqribble with 150 more than templates, enhanced content engine, unlimited storage, 1,000 of images, styles, layout, customization, and more. Upsell number 2, Sqribble Prime. You have monthly templates, but you have to only pay $47 one-time payment for it. This private club expand your Sqribble library automatically with stunning handcrafted niche templates for a whole year. Upsell number 3, Sqribble Fantasia 3D 2-in-1 bundle flipbook and 3D cover maker technology. You bring your ebooks and reports to life with the intelligent new interactive flipbook and 3D cover creation technology. And upsell number 4, Auto Job Finder. A SaaS software as a service. You have to pay $197 for this revolutionary software that automatically gets you alerts, clients, and freelance jobs from multiple sources with a few clicks. For OTO1 and OTO1 and OTO2. I'm not going to mention too much here because it's so easy to understand. For this OTO, you will get more templates, images, styles, layouts, and even get more templates every month. Okay, now now I'm going to review OTO3 Sqribble Fantasia 3D and firstly I'm going to review 3D covers. You can click create new 3D cover and you have three options here. You can start from a template, you can start from existing project, or you can start from scratch. And to make you quickly understand, I will choose start from a template. I put it a test 3D cover and I hit this save changes. And now I'm gonna choose my template. For example, I choose this. And you have to wait a little bit time for its processing, loading your content. It may take a while depending on the content. And now here is your 3D cover. You can customize anything on it. You can customize text, the image, and headline, anything on this cover if you want. You can customize it, customize anything on it. For example, color, borders, border style, and any elements on it. And then you can click generate 3D cover to make it. You can choose the model for your 3D cover. For example, here are some models for you. For example, I chose this one, and you have a little bit time for its processing, generating your Sqribble, and here is your results. Sorry, my internet connection is a bit of slow. Now here is my result. You can click this button, download 3 cover to download your 3 cover to your computer. And here is your results. Okay, now I'm gonna move on to another models inside. Another model is here is your 3D cover. And I'm gonna move on to another model inside the upsell number 3. It is flip books. And what is flipbook? Now you have to hit to the create new flipbook button. And you can choose your some existing your project to make it to turn it to a flipbook. For example, I choose this one. And the next step, you have to choose a template for your flipbook. Here are some templates for you. For example, I going to choose this one, meter, and you have to enter your flipbook name. For example, I put the name for it. Yes. I hit the finish button. And you have to wait a little bit time for its processing. And here is my flipbook. I click view. Sorry, my internet connection is a bit of slow, so you have to wait a little bit time for it. Please wait, the application is loading. Okay, and take a look to my screen. Here is my flipbook, and you can click this button to view more pages inside my flipbook. For example, I click this. Here is my flipbook. And the special thing here, you can click web wishes. You can put your flipbook to any places on the internet if you want. You can copy the code and put it to your any places on the internet if you want, and you have your free flipbook like this. Okay, now just I give you an overview about upsell number 3. And finally, I'm going to review a final upsell number 4, upsell number 4, Auto Job Finder. This is a cloud-based service that allows you to find your freelancing jobs. Okay, here is the Auto Job Finder. Take a look to, I will give you an overview about upsell number for Auto Job Finder. You have to pay $197 for this. It is a revolutionary software that automatically gets you endless clients and freelance jobs from multiple sources with a few clicks. And there is a training video for you here. And I click Job Finder. You can put your keyword here and you can click search. There are some freelancing platforms for you here. For example, Freelancer, Golan's, People per Hour, and 99 Design, Behance, Crop, Flexjobs, Acorn, and you can put your keyword here. For example, I put the keyword ebook design. I click, hit the search button, and Auto Job Finder is calling data from some platforms below, and they will show you some results from the freelancing jobs for you, and you can view these jobs, and you can do it for your clients. Okay, and here are some results for you. Social media for Black Friday sale. Here are some freelancing shop from some platforms for you. For example, Freelancer. This one, ebook design, ebook writing, and you can click view job button to check out some jobs from Freelancer on or other platforms. Yeah, here you can uh, view these jobs from. There are so many jobs for you. For example, Golands. So many jobs for you here. And Auto Job Finder will suggest it will automatically find all of the jobs for you. And Auto Job Finder system have some other great features, and I'm going to review it for you now. Another section inside Auto Job Finder is proposal templates. Proposal templates. Proposal template are some template you can copy it and you can send them to your customers. For example, ebook writing services. There are some templates for you here, and you can copy it and send to your customer. Another section is profile templates. Profile templates is some done for you profile. You can copy these profiles and you can put it your some platforms profile to make money from it. For example, here is your profile, created ebook writer and designer profile. So many profile here. And the final model is Auto Job Finder bookmark jobs. Yeah, you can bookmark some jobs you apply or some jobs you didn't apply. You can click marks as apply and you can click this button to delete it. Okay. And I just give you some details about front-end purchase and some upsell features. Now, I'm going to move on to another module inside my video review today. They are bonuses. I have a really powerful bonuses for my video review today. If you buy Sqribble through my link today, I have two bonded packages for you. You can click this button to buy Sqribble through my link, and then you have a chance to get all of my bonuses here. This is my special bonus number one, including 10 additional Sqribble templates. It worth $195 on the market. Uh, the bonus number two is my special bonus number one is eBook profit formula. And exclusive bonus number three is $3 off fast mover coupon. You can use code SPOT to this to reduce your $3 from your purchase. And here is my special bonus number two. There are so many bonuses inside my special bonus number two, including some bonuses like pistol ultra. Here are some main features of pistol ultra. You can take a look to my article and check out it later. Image blatter, video give measure. With nails and video sales authority pro, full WordPress based builder software, subscribe, content link, audience the real, express store access, a crazy killer, WP image editor, social media viral content builder, social post you, traffic search engine, viral list, traffic fresh, uh, anonymous sport pro, AK booster pro, and finally spy stream. You can see this is my best bonuses ever I give away to my clients because this is so really powerful for us. So I want to give you a powerful bonuses too. So I have to emphasize again, if you want to get all of my bonuses, you have to pick up Sqribble through my link today by clicking through my link on my article review here. And then you can forward your receipt to my email to get my bonuses later. And my videos is so long, so I have to finish my video review today. Before finishing my video review, I have to emphasize again, you have to pick up Sqribble through my link to get all of my bonuses. And finally, I really thank you because you watched my video review until now. Once again, thank you so much and see you in my next video review. Okay, thank you so much.